What we have here is the spring water enhancer, which was used to enhance the spring water that is located here. So we have here a water pump that is connected to a filter that is embedded inside the soil beside the spring water. And this water pump is used to pump out water. It is pumped in a jerking motion, okay? So that it will loosen the path of water leading to the spring water. We have here the filter, which is used to remove the milky color of the spring water before it goes to the swimming pool. So this spring water will supply 1/2 of the content or water of the swimming pool, which will now be complemented by the water from the water pump through this pipe here, until the water of the swimming pool reaches the brim of the swimming pool. These are the solar panels used to power the water pump that is helping to provide water for the swimming pool. So we have here batteries and the control circuit for the water pump. The water pump is here. And there is a small submersible pump that is located inside the filter of the pump, which will pump water from the spring water going to the swimming pool using solar energy. So that means the water here can be sourced out from this spring water. But if there is a big demand for water, we can complement it with the deep well water pump. When it rains hard, water will flow from the rainwater harvester in front and will flow here. Now there is a hose that connects the fish pond and this basin here, and the fish pond acts like a capacitor or battery that will absorb the rainwater first. Now if the rainwater is too much already for the fish pond to hold, the water will flow here, overflow here. And 2 days ago, rain poured in this area. So water flowed to this sunken basin here, which was connected by hose to that fish pond there. As you can see, the water has already rose up, and we have placed a big pipe here with perforations, which will filter and convey the water to the irrigation canal. So if water is needed, this pipe will be unplugged, which will supply water to the rice paddies. pala natin, brother, yung
Patras pag ganyan.
dapat dun ka sa dulo kasi
Okay. Okay na yan, sir.
this is an orchard of mangoes. As you know, this is a good source of income